All right, today we're gonna bring a dash cam, and this is perfect for those cars that require a forward camera and back camera. And this one has two cameras in front of it and back automatically, but they also give you an option to put one in your rear. All right, 1080, 720, and 720. So 1080 for the front, 720 for the internal, 720 for the backup camera. Right, we're gonna see what you get when you get something like this. And this thing is very petite. They give you the covers in case you want to put a new cover for your actual phone here, for your cover for your display. Instructions are included. Cable management, for cable management, all right, and a long cable, a long USB, and they give you the actual memory card. The memory card's about 32 gigs. So we're gonna plug everything in so you guys can see how it works. So let's go ahead and open it up. You got your internal card memory and micro SD card. For your external backup camera, plugs them here. It has a microphone here so you guys can hear the conversations inside. This is the internal camera. It moves up and down. So if you're an Uber driver, Uber Eats, you're able to see your passenger in the back or anybody, or as a witness to internal. You got your up arrow, down arrow, memory, and power. That's pretty much it. And then you plug it in through the top, right? All right, let me show you here. It's asking you options, so all you got to do is hit OK, and the OK button is going to be the power button. All right, so hit the power button. Now you can have to set up your time. Right now we're just going to set it up as it is. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK, and then what you want to do is you want to format the card. You go down and confirm it. All right, now on the time, it's critical to put the time. I'm just skipping it for testing purposes. All right, so hit confirm. And that's pretty much it. Now we got the camera in the front, we got the camera in the back, and you're able to see everything I'm doing.